We started this module by clarifying the MVC pattern, which stands for Model View Controller. The model handles the logic for our application data. The view represents the parts that display data. In case of an API, that's the data, typically in JSON format, returned from API calls. And the controller handles the interaction between view and model. This pattern leads to more reuse and better testability. In this module, we worked with the GET method to return data from our API. It's routing that takes care of mapping a request URI to a method on our controller. Next to GET, there's also POST for creating, PUT for updates, patch for partial updates, and delete for deleting resources. All of these are coming up right after this summary. For APIs, attribute-based routing is advised over convention-based routing. We also learned about content negotiation. This is the process of selecting the best representation for a given response. Formatters take care of serialization, and it's the media type that's set as accept header value that drives this. For returning a file, the controller base method file can be used. Important is to set the correct media type on the response to ensure that the operating system knows the correct viewer to use. And with that, this module is done, but we're currently just returning data from our controllers. Most APIs also require the ability to manipulate data. Let's check that out in the next module.